In this video I will be removing headlights on BMW E60. This is 2009 535xi. I'm going to remove two headlights. I will be using these tools: painter's blue masking tape, also T30 screwdriver, 8mm socket with extension. I have seen several tutorials how to remove headlights on BMW E60. Some people advising to loosen the top end of the bumper, removing these rubber gaskets and unscrewing Torx screws over here, and some people do it without. Next, I will use blue tape to mask these areas over here to avoid scratching my bumper and fender, of course. This is totally optional. If you are really careful, you will be fine, but I just would like to have an extra peace of mind while I'm doing this, because sometimes these headlights may have like a sharp areas over here on the edges, and you can scratch your bumper or fender. E60 headlight is held by 4 screws, 2 T30 Torx screws over here on the top. One is located next to the fender, and the second one over here. To get to the third screw, you have to take out this cap right here, and it's going to be much easier. You can see that bolt or screw right over there. You can just loosen it, and it's going to be enough for your headlight to leave its housing. And also the fourth one, it's a little bit harder to see, but very easy to get to. When I'm gonna remove the headlight, I will show you again the positions of all 4 screws that are holding headlight. Let's just make sure my camera is gonna focus on this one. And also, you don't have to completely remove this one, you just have to loosen it. The headlight came out very easily. I used bulb cap to prop bumper to help me a little bit. It's absolutely the same procedure as on pre-LCI and LCI cars. The only difference on LCI cars, like in my case, it's connected with only one cable. On pre-LCI cars you have 2 cables to disconnect. And one more shot of the mounting screws of headlight. 2 are located right here, T30 on the top of the headlight, and bottom ones, the ones you don't have to completely remove, located right here. Using same steps, I will be doing my passenger side right now, and you're probably wondering why I'm doing it. It's gonna be much easier for me to polish my lenses with headlights off the car, and it's basically why I'm doing it right now.